has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio,
Oh, look at this.
southwestern Stark Ohio, south central Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Wellington near
Not sure. It could have been a winner.
Hazard 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kenton, Worcester, Millersburg, Massillon, Greene, Wadsworth, North Kenton, Orville, Berlin, Richmond, Walnut Creek, Doylestown, Loudonville, Creston, Brewster, Nybar, Dalton, Shreve, Waynesburg, and East Sparta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is a
There you are. As I was saying, cave winters are likely to jump out at anyone who surprises them.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.